So what you see here is the new route. This is the post the flash floods. They have created this new route. It's a bit more safer in case you have a flash flood. And this is the older route. So we plan to take the older route, and then while returning we'll come back in the new route. Again, as I said in the earlier video, I will just zoom it. I hope you can see all the way to the top, and that's where we are heading towards. The elevation of another, we are done with 2,500 meters, so it should be another about 1,000 meters or 800 meters. But it's pretty long. I think it will take about, I don't know, but whatever it takes. It's really fun. The first 10 kilometers was hard. After that, I'm really enjoying the trek. It's just amazing. You can see the new route, and that is the trek path. People are climbing all the way up there. Shivaya Mahadevaya Triambakaya Chaturantakaaya Karnikalaya Kalavirudraya Nilakantaya Mrityunjaya Sarveshvaya Sadashivaya Shriman Mahadevaya Namaha. Ekadashi Chandrale landslide of different Himalayan view. Namo Bhagavane Vishveshwaraya Mahadevaya Triambakaya Chaturantakaaya Karnikalaya Kalavirudraya Nilakantaya Mrityunjaya Sarveshvaya Sadashivaya Shriman Mahadevaya Namaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Rudraya. Om Namaste Rudramanyava Uto Taishave Namaha. Namaste Sudhanvane Bahovyamute Namaha. Yatavita Shivatama Shivam Bhuvate Danoho Shivasanatyaya Tavatayana Rudramudaya Yate Rudra Shivatano Ragora Papa Kashini Nayanastanu Vashantamaya Girisham Tabishakashihi Yamishrishan Taste Vistave Shivanjir Tatanpur Magin Sapurusham Jagata Shivenota Satva Girishacha Vadamasi Yatamasam Jagan Adya I Gush Sarva and Jambian Sarva Asa Yatudanya Stamro or Latum Sangalaha, H. Mudra Bito, Dixushita, Sovi, Shabameda, Soyo Sarpata, with an Ambo Pradesh, Dashaprache, Dashaprachi, Dashodi, Dashurva, Stevio, Namaste, Nomadayanta, Teyanvishu, Eshanodvishti, Kambo, Jambe, Dabi, Triambakam, Jamahe, Sokantim, Pushti Vardanam, Urarka Bandanan, Bandanan, Putyumshri, Amamrata. Gaurimimaya Salani Takshadi Kapadi Padi Satrushpati Ashtapadi Napadi Baboshi Sasra Achara Paramevyo Man Katyana Vidmahe Kanda Kumari Dimahi Tanno Durge Prachodayat Om Chatave Se Suluva Somam Marati Yatolida Hati Veda Sanaspate Durgan Vishwa Navir Sindhum Durita Tegni Pratdoshika Medio Advaresh Sanacha Nabhyat Satsi Swancha Arnetanuvam Piprayasva Asmabyancha Sobagamai Jaswa Gobed Shamaidon Shiktam Tave Indra Vishta Anasancharema Nakastashnam Samsano Vaishnavi Lokayama Deyantam Gaurimimaya Salani Takshadi Ekapadi Padi Satushpati Ashtapadi Napadi Baboshi Sasra Akshara Paramevyo Man Katyana Vidmahe Kanyakumari Dimahi Tanno Durge Prachodayat Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Biman Rock. In the 2013 flood, this rock came and fell here, and it is believed this has protected the temple from any devastation, and from then it's been performed puja here. It's called Bhima Rock. ओम नमो भगवान विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय कालाय रुद्राय नीलकंठाय मृत्युंजयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः।
हर हर महादेव।
See the temple, it's surrounded by the Himalayan mountain. It feels like the temple is surrounded by 4 walls. So yesterday it was late night, I could not capture some of these videos. So these are the campsites. It's about 1 kilometer from the temple, but I had a hotel, so I did not stay here. The facilities are pretty basic. So I will have some suggestions in my blog. In general, my advice will be, if you want to trek, start early morning. You can reach here by 4 p.m. Finish your darshan and same day you can head back. Shouldn't be that difficult. Or you can come by helicopter and then stay here. I mean, helicopter will be a very quick ride, so come early in the morning. The darshan will be done in about 3 to 4 hours. Then you can take the helicopter in the late evening to Kashi or many other places are there. So see all the horses are here. So those who want to take the horse ride going down, you can avail those services here. The passing clouds and ice. So I'm walking down now. I'll be taking this path. That is the new route. People coming up. It was an awesome trek and I look forward doing the trek again. I will try next time during October or November.
मंत्र बुलायो और 10 कोई सकल
कारों का सबका पहना हुआ है। महादेव मेरे लिए तो लाया मेरे भाई। मैं तुम्हें कुछ लाया नहीं, हम तो सब लेके आए 50 मिनट में।
3 kilometers అయి ఉంటుంది.
आगे की ओर झुक जाओ, उनको बोलो
आगे की तरफ झुक लो.
This is the view we climbed yesterday. On the way back, I'm taking that new road. Absolutely no people, no horses. So I highly recommend taking this route for both while coming and going back. A few reasons. One is people think this is longer. It could be, but it seems to be worth it. And it's a lot more scenic than the older route. So I could not see this waterfall while coming. And there's a gorgeous view of the couple of bridges. And it's definitely very less crowded. I do see horses, but it's a lot more spacious. So please use this route when you are coming to Kedarnath. Bridge and there's a gorgeous waterfall. It's very scenic. Get to see this.